This is the most important video I'll ever make on this channel, and I've dressed up for the occasion. So I want the people that have been OGs of this channel, that have watched the trading journey, to watch this video up to the end, because it represents my story from the start to this point where we are right now. And why do I say it is the most important video on this channel? Because I don't know what is going to happen after this, but I've calculated and I think I'm ready. So you too get ready. I know I don't want even to edit it. I want it to be as long as it can. I'll provide the best value I can, and hopefully we shall see results at the end. I'm thinking this video is going to take maybe a week to make, also more than a week, but we are going to go slow and we are going to be patient, and we are going to watch this video up to the end. So the first thing we have to say is we got our fourth payout from FTMO. That makes it 5 payouts in total. Remember, from the journey, I started with 1 payout from Funded Next. I went to the first payout from FTMO, and then I lost the Funded Next account. Then I became insanely consistent with the FTMO account, and it is bringing a lot of returns. The investment to return is wild. So of course I'll be grateful to FTMO as a company for teaching me how to trade and allowing, not teaching me actually, I taught myself. I'm self-taught. But we are going to jump into the withdrawal process. Siri is trying to tell me something, but we are going to jump into the withdrawal process, and then we are going to withdraw the payout. And that is even not the point, because this payout represents what I've been cooking under the curtains. I've been building something, and it is something I'm very excited about, because it represents hard work, dedication, and we are going to see how the video is going to go at the end. So buckle up. We are just starting, and the journey is going to be amazing. So thank you for watching the channel. I appreciate all the people that subscribe. Actually, the journey is going to be long, but if someone can learn something from this, I'll be happy from that. Anyway, let us go ahead and withdraw from FTMO. What you see here is our FTMO account. This is what you see. This is the dashboard for FTMO. And if you want to buy a challenge, of course you go and buy the new challenge here. But this is the account that we are talking about, the account in stock. So let us go into details. This is how I've traded it. I've been in drawdown a lot of times, but I've been able to come back and make a profit. These are my trades. As you can see, consistently 0.3, and then entering 2 positions per trade. When I lose, I lose 2. When I win, I win 2. When I lose, I lose 2. So this is the trading activity for this account. This is the journal for this FTMO account. And as you can see, our average loss was $300, 334. Our average profit was 520. Win rate is 50% for this particular account. And these are the trades I've taken from September 26th to 7th October. All these losses, 15th September. I made losses, I made back some profits. I made losses, I made profits. So that is what we are here to do, and we are going to withdraw. The consistency score is 80%, so it is good. It is quite good. And it is an FTMO account. As you can see, this is the imagery of how the account went. We started off with going into a loss. We started the account with a loss, and we went to 47 from the 50. Then we went back up a little bit to 48. Then we came back down, until we came back to break even. Then we went back down. Remember, it is about patience. You have to be very patient when you're trading a prop firm. Then we went back up into profit, 200 profit. Then we came back down. Then from there, it has never been the. We went to profit, to profit, to profit, and it could have been more, but I didn't take the trade, so that is okay. I'm like 2.5 after all that struggle. It's okay. So ready to claim your reward today. We are going to claim it. That is the reason we came here. It is a 50K account, and this is going to be the 4th payout from this particular account. That is why I didn't have to buy any other account. I'm just like trading and doing whatever I can. So this is the process. You claim the reward, claim your reward. So the reward is going to be 2087, and I already calculated that 2609 is my profit, but 2008, they take away the 80, they give me 80% of the profits I made. So that's okay, because bro, let me claim the reward. Definitely, of course, the reward is going to be claimed. I think they have sent me an email. They are going to check and then get back to me. So this is the reward. I was targeting 3,000 as a withdraw, but I'm like 2,000 is okay. So instead of continuing, let me just go with the 2K, and I'm going to show you here my certificates. Let's go into certificates right now. So of course, this is where I started off with 3,041. That was the first payout in July 14th. I came to August 2007. That was August. Then September 2033. And then October is going to be next. Why did I want 3,000? Because if you add 3,000 to this, to 7,000, you add 3,000, that is 10K. So it was a very good number. I'm like 10K, I'm like wow, but it was not possible. I'm just like, let me just take this out. I don't know what the future holds, so I took out. I didn't hit my target, but this is good, and where we are going to do it is going to be even better. So this is not my payout. It is my names and everything, but they are not my payouts. These payouts are going to go to my babies that I've been building under the curtains. I've been building a model that is going to help us trade even if we are not on the charts, even if we are not in the markets, because that is the path. Anyway, that is the payout we have requested, and let us see when our payout is going to come. We shall continue with the video with that. Hello guys, in continuation to the video of the payout, today is Monday. It is the 13th of October, and today is going to be a special day because I've been building this for a very long time, maybe 7 months, and I've been testing this, and I knew it was always the path. So I feel very lucky to be able to test it at the moment. I feel lucky. The past 3 days, just a little information. I've been praying for this, and I've even done fasting. I've done fasting for this step of my career in trading. I know I trade prop firms, but I think the future is this, and I've built this myself, so I'm going to test it on a real account. These are called expert advisors, or algo trading, or bots, you can call them that. So I've taken my payout from FTMO, and I'm going to put it into the bots, and then I'm going to see how it is going to go on today, tomorrow, this week, and we see if there is progress in this, because I've tested it and it has shown progress before, and I'm hoping today is the time to show progress for this one. But thank you all for being here. In my mind, I was like, just put it on at around 10 my time, and we still have a few, like 13 minutes left to 10. So yeah, I just wanted to come here, make this introduction, and then we are going to continue with setting them up. As long as it clocks 10, I'm going to let them run, and then we shall see the results. I'm excited, or even if I don't show it, but I'm truly excited, because we make progress with little steps, and this is a step. No hard expectations, nothing, no pressure on this. Why don't I have any pressure? Because it's money from a payout, and I just transferred it directly to this. Well, I would have used it to my daily needs life, but I think if I'm to progress with trading and everything, I need to put this in there and see where we go from there. This bot, all this expert advisor, is not for rent, is not for sale, is not for anything. I'm just recording my experiences in the financial markets and putting them out here. So I'm going to show you how we are going to start them, and then we are going to see how they will do by the end of the week. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Anyway, see you then. All right, guys, we are left with seconds to start the project. I feel like my intestines want to come out of my stomach right now. But this is the project. We've put 1027 on this project on Xness, and it is the bot that is going to trade it. And then we have also put almost 1000, because we got 2000. This other 1000, we put it on FBS, and it is the bot that is going to trade it. So am I excited? Not really, bro. The intestines are almost coming out of my stomach. But I said to myself, at 10, I'm going to give it a try. We risk, and we see what happens. Whatever happens, happens, and we are ready for this. So we are ready to start. It is 10 o'clock, and we've started this bot, and it will execute the trades. We've also started this one. So help me God. Let's see what happens. For them to start real trading, I need to restart them. So I'm going to do that also. This has started, and of course, bro, let us see how it will go actually. Then Xness, it is all, remember, it is all probability. Trading is probability, and these bots are also probability. So we shall wait and see how they will trade, and we shall give results by the end of the day, maybe the end of the week. But I'm not excited, but we shall see, because that is the future. The future is this. I know it is risking a lot, but I said why not? I said why not? All right, I don't have anything else to say, but I'll just come back with an update later on in this video to show you how far they have traded. All right, guys, this is the Xness account, and it has made a profit. Remember, we put in 1,000, and it is at 3,000 now. So I've decided to be smart. I wanted to withdraw from this account, but I've decided to be a bit smarter and remove my investment. Then after that I can let it run. I don't know if that will cost me, but that is my decision for now. I'm going to remove my investment and then just let it run as it wants for days, for weeks. But yeah, I'm glad we've been able to make back our investment, which was 2,000. And the FBS one, it is also in profit. It is floating in profit, which is 1,376, and that is the gold trade. That is beautiful. So we are just going to withdraw from this one, which has made, this one is like, you know, it risks a lot, but when the profit is there, it is huge. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to take out our initial investment, and then we can let it run however it wants. I was targeting it to hit 4,000, then I can take out the 2, but maybe it will not reach the take profit. The take profit was around here, you know, at this level. Maybe it will reach, maybe not. So I just decided to do the next best thing, take out my initial fee, and then I can let the bots do whatever they want. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next update of these bots. Wow, look at it going up. Anyway, it happens. Anyway, okay guys, you guys have watched from the payout to refining it in my bots and withdrawing. I think Xness sends the money to my wallet in just a few minutes. Let me see if it is already there. I'm checking to see whether not yet, but I think it will be made within a short while. It sends an email, I guess. No, I've not yet received, but I think I'll receive it. I've just put in the details, and yeah, I hope that is the future of trading, you know. Now I've removed my initial investment. Let us see if this will make what? Some money. That is what we want to see in the markets. I'll not stop trading prop firms, but I'll keep an eye on, you know, my bots as I go hand in hand with the prop firms. This video has been long, but in the spirit of transparency, I wanted to show you guys what I'm doing and what the future holds, because I know if a few of you will follow this path and will be very successful, even more successful than I am. We've got the got funded account, and we are not yet trading it, but we are still waiting for a setup. Those videos will come out, and I've seen people that want me to come live, make trades live, but you know, I can sit for 7 hours without a trade, and how do you want me to do a live stream? Seriously, I can sit waiting for a trade for like 7 hours or 5, and the trade is not showing up. So what will I do on the live stream? Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye.